All right, welcome to Unity. Let's go. This is Unity Always Render on Top with the URP. So there are other examples out there, but they are not using the camera settings for Universal Render Pipeline. I'm going to show you how. So here I have a manipulator object, and I want them to currently, they don't render through the cube. You can see that on the game view. I want them to render through. So we have to create a layer that's called always on top. Always on top. Or we can do like render on top. I'll leave it like that for now. And we want to name that or add the always on top layer to them. And then we need to go to our camera. See, we are using Cinemachine, but this is still going to work for Cinemachine. So what we need to do is we need to create a new camera. And we'll go ahead down here and get rid of the audio listener. We'll remove that. And inside of it, we'll rename and we'll call this overlay camera. And we need to go down inside the camera to the culling mask and select nothing. And then go to always on top. So it's only rendering layer always on top. Once that's done, we need to change one more thing, and this is where the URP thing differs. So we need to go, instead, normally it was going into clear flags, and we need to go into render type, overlay. Now, we don't see it here, and that's because our main camera doesn't recognize that this is a camera that should be rendered. So we need to go back into our main camera, and we need to go into the stack of cameras and add it. So we're going to add the overlay camera. Once that's done, then it starts rendering. We can see that it's rendering over top of the cube. If we go into play mode, we'll see that it is continuously rendering over top of it. And here we are in play mode, and we can see that the manipulators are rendering over top of the cube, which is exactly what we want. So, hope it was helpful, and I'll check you later.